When you format a list as a table, the Table Tools Design tab in the ribbon not only gives you various styles, but it also enables you to tick and untick various table style options. For example, banded rows make it easy for the reader to be able to differentiate rows of data. If I untick banded rows, the colouring that's applied to the banded rows disappears, and if I retick it, it reappears. If I tick the option banded columns, then Excel will alternate the colouring of each column, which also makes it easy to read, and you can turn it on or off by ticking. You can also combine the two by ticking both options. By ticking first column, you're really just accentuating the data in the first column, and it typically uses bold. By ticking last column, you're accentuating the data in the last column, and again it's typically bold and colour. By unticking header row, you will in fact lose your column headings. This isn't really desirable, so I'm going to turn this back on again.